Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the bike. Make sure the frame won't rock while you work. Remove any saddlebag or accessories, then loosen the seat clamp. Use the correct 8mm or 10mm tool so you don't strip the fastener. Once the clamp is loose, slide the saddle rails forward and lift the seat straight up. This gives you full access to the shiny coating and mounting hardware. Keep the removed bolt and any shims in a small container so nothing gets lost during the next steps. With the saddle off, test a small area with rubbing alcohol to confirm finish compatibility, because some materials react badly. Then, using fine grit sandpaper or a Scotch-Brite pad, rub along the rails and the shiny outer layer with steady pressure. This removes the glossy top coat without cutting structural metal. Once the shine dulls, wipe the surface with a clean cloth and solvent to remove dust and oils. Make sure to work evenly, so the seat looks consistent when reinstalled. Reinstall the saddle by sliding the rails into the clamp. Align the saddle with the bike centerline and set fore-aft position. Tighten the clamp finger tight, sit on the bike to settle position, then torque to the manufacturer's spec so nothing shifts. If you hear squeaks, loosen, add a thin smear of grease or proper anti-seize to the clamp, then retorque. If bolts are stuck during removal, apply penetrating oil, wait 10-15 minutes, and use controlled heat. Never force with excessive leverage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.